Good morning. Let's send an email to our teacher. Click Compose. Put the teacher's name. The teacher's email address. The subject. This is not the message to the teacher. This is not 2 sentences about what you want. This is 2 words, 5 words, something like that. Padlet grade in Synergy. Okay? It's not a sentence, it's just a few words. Now, the body of the message. Address the teacher, whatever the teacher wants to be addressed. Skip a line. Say something pleasant. My August 30th grade in Synergy for the Padlet. Include everything that you need to include so that the teacher knows what you're asking about and doesn't have to search around. But not more than that. And use complete sentences, and be sure to include the period and the class that you're in at some point. Shows 0. I turned that assignment in during class. Will you be able to check and update it soon? Don't be too pushy, right? Thank you. You can say have a good day. You don't have to. And then what's your name? And then period 2, intro to CS. Okay? That's all you need. Address it. Put a brief subject. Put some way of recognizing the teacher. Warning, ladies and gentlemen, do not type, "Hey, Mr. Rodewald," "Hey, Mr. Smith," "Hey, Miss Johnson," "Hey, Mrs. Rodriguez." You can say "Dear," but most of you aren't comfortable with that. I don't blame you. Do not type "Hey." That'll get your message sent to junk, because I really can't tell whether you're a spammer if you do that. All right, and then always, always, always include the period so that the teacher knows exactly where to go, and then click send. That's it.